Hi, Jam Magno. I have met Mayor Sara Duterte 3 times at the Mindanao Media Hub. I only said 3 words to her. And then the second time was when I visited her in her office. And the third time when I met her at the Mahalin Natin ng Pilipinas ride in Surigao City. I like her level of maldita. I think that's the level of maldita we all aspire to be. Somebody who is real and authentic, somebody who fights for what she believes in and stands steadfast for herself, her family, and the people that belong or the people that she leads. Yung katangian na yan na hindi talaga kayang, alam mo yung tibagin ng kahit na sino man. That quiet confidence that she brings, na kahit ako man, matabil ako sa ibang tao, I'm very, very talkative. But when it comes to Ma'am Sara, yung confidence level ko is as small as a teaspoon. Because I know my place around her. Because that is how she brings out that commanding presence ba. Now when you look at her, when you listen to her, alam mo that she speaks her heart. But at the same time, her strength just envelopes you. You believe in yourself also, nagiging strong ka din sa sarili mo. And that's just how she is. She is the real empowered Filipina. She is the epitome of what Filipinas should be. Hindi tayo kayang apakan, yung hindi tayo pabebe, yung hindi tayo pa-cute, hindi tayo plastic, hindi tayo soft, hindi tayo weak. You know, that's who she is. If we ever think of that empowered Filipina, we must look and know that it is Ma'am Sara. She is the epitome of that. And that's why, para sa akin, she cannot be just an animal, she cannot just be an object. She is who she is, and she is the true empowered Filipina. I will only tell you this through the camera because I would probably not be able to tell you this in person. But thank you so much for changing my life. Thank you so much for making sure that Filipinas like me have a chance because you let us all believe that we can do it. You are a mother, you're a lawyer, you're a public servant. You inspire so many of us, and ginagawa mo yan at kalmang-kalma lang. And that's why I'm so grateful because even before I became Jam Magno, tinulungan mo na ako and you even helped my son. Davao City saved my son and I owe that to you and the Duterte family. And that's precisely a part of why I love you, Ma'am. I know it's kind of cheesy to tell you that because everybody does. But you know, and I told you this sa Surigao, laban ka lang dyan.